Hi viewer, today I would like to show you all how to find recently viewed ads on Instagram. Let's have a look. First, open Instagram app. Tap profile icon on bottom right. From your profile page, tap three horizontal lines on top right. Tap settings. From settings, tap ads. Under general info, you will find add activity. Tap add activity. Here you will find all the recently displayed ads on Instagram. Your ad activity. See the ads that you have recently interacted with and learn more about the brands behind them. So these are the steps to find recently viewed ads on Instagram. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.